What's up people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rory, but you can call me Rorkz. And today we're going to be doing our first Rorkz draws.
But you can call me Rorkz.
So I've got a brother, he's in South Africa. He sends me a message a few weeks ago and he says, Rorkz, bro, can you draw my pets for me? I say, yeah, cool man, yeah. His name's Kenan. I'm going to link his YouTube channel below. But anyway, he goes, can you draw some of my pets for me? I say, yeah, no problem. I haven't drawn in a long time, and I need some ideas, so this is a good one. He says, but wait a second. Can you draw my pets in superhero costumes, as superheroes? So, Kenan has got a few pets. He's got 2 doggos, he's got 2 chinchillas, and he's got about 4
Guinea
hamsters,
pigs. Guinea pigs.
I think they're hamsters.
Guinea pigs.
And I've already got a few ideas. So for the doggos, I'm going to draw them like being all proud, standing like that, and having capes flapping in the wind. And then for the chinchillas, I was thinking ninja chinchillas. So the chinchillas, 2 of them could be like having ninja stars doing action poses. And then for the hamsters, I'm having trouble thinking of what I can do with the
Guinea
hamsters.
pigs.
Maybe give them different godly powers. I just got my idea. Thanks. So yeah, let's get to it. So the idea for the first dog was to have him sitting down and then looking to like the left, like all proud, and then he's going to have a cape flapping in the wind. He's going to have like boots on and a little emblem, maybe because it's a dog. I'll be very cliche and give him like a bone, like Superman has the S, it'll be a bone symbol on him. Okay, so let's start with the shape of the dog. Okay, let's see what that looks like without that. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Okay, let's start with some colors. Alright. And now we're going to start shading him in. So next I'm going to draw a rough version of a superhero suit on the dog. I'm thinking about giving him a cape, you know, like the Superman thing, maybe an emblem, a bone or whatever. Boots, what else can we do? Maybe like a thing across his eyes. Let's see what I can come up with. Got our suit neat. There's the rough version of the suit. There's the neat version. Now I'm just gonna hide the dog. Okay, so I'll color in the cape first. Thinking about generic superhero colors, red and blue. You know, every superhero is red and blue, so I'll make the first doggy red and blue. See what it's like, you know. Cool, let's do the body now. I mean the body suit.
What we do here is go back.
so that is my big dog superhero idea complete. Took a while, but it is complete. The next step is to go on to the smaller dog and draw a rough version of that. Then the pen, then the color, then shade it in, and then we're going to add a suit onto that as well and put it next to the big dog and see how that comes out. Let's go.
But you can call me Rorkz.